All right, we go this side, and I will show you the much more of our team to do. So we are not only for the plan designer.
Yes.
We're still doing for some construction designers. So all of these photos is what do we do before. So this kind of the buildings, such as the residential buildings.
Yeah, different types of projects I can see.
Yeah, the university.
Yeah, residential and commercial and educational.
Yeah, that is
Commercial, yeah. But again, to me, a very, very successful design. It doesn't have the atmosphere, it doesn't have the feeling, of a traditional manufacturing site. Yeah, because again, you have integrated, we and landscaping, architecture and landscaping. To me, this is very successful, very nice.
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
So we are combinations between our proposed objects. So it makes the factory to still the landscape.
Yes.
So make things very relaxed rather than we got noisy and all of these machines. So that is not good enough. So
Yes.
our new imagination, new thinking, new ideas is a combination with nature and our object, also our life together.
Yes, and bring the natural world into living space, into working space.
Yeah, sure. This one is the things I want to special to point for. This is a kind of the culture and business commercial areas for some particular area and particular point. So this is a kind of community we are creation for. So you can see this is got some landscape, got some commercial area, and also got some and all of these kind of the villa.
Yes.
Yeah, so this kind of combination makes all of different buildings to link it among each others and to combinations each others.
Yes, and of course, in all of the history of architecture, a bridge always has always had a very special meaning in architecture, namely the coming together, the linking. So here as well in this
Connection
design.
and linking
Yes.
and the special meaning also for the
So maybe you could say maybe a few words about these two spaces that are linked by this bridge. Maybe Dr. Guo, maybe?
对，这个项目最大的一个特色呢是，这是有着一条
there has
水
a there has
一条河
a river.
Yeah.
把它这河把水引进来，
And
然后又
put
流出
this
去。
water into this smaller creek here, and making the particular lake here, and to try to make the environment with the water and with
Yes, water
with the
features.
leaves. Water
Yes.
features.
Water features. Yeah.
这样这个水两侧的这个就活了，有活力了。
So make these things have the spirit to
Yes.
between these two banks of the buildings.
Yes. Very nice. Very successful. Very successful design.